Snow is fun until it kills you. Since 1999, the Northwest US has lost 6 to 22 people each year to snow avalanches. During this time, we have lost mostly snowmobilers and skiers. Looking at the last 20 years, the first half shows many more snowmobilers dying than skiers. Then something happened, and snowmobile fatalities decreased significantly while ski fatalities continued to increase. Snowmobilers and skiers aren't the only ones falling victim to avalanches. Snowboarders come in third with climbers right behind them. Of these top three, skiing and snowboarding are similar activities. With this bar graph, we can compare ski/snowboard fatalities to snowmobile fatalities in each state. While Idaho and Montana have suffered many more snowmobile deaths, the other states have lost significantly more skiers and snowboarders over snowmobilers, with Oregon appearing to be the safest state for all three activities. Of the 5 states, Montana has had the most avalanche accidents, 64, and Oregon has had the least, 8. Montana had more than Washington and Oregon combined, 58. When we look at fatalities, Washington combined with Oregon are equal to Montana, 74. The survivability of an avalanche is poor. This map shows a breakdown of the percentage of fatalities to casualties by state. We can see from this that while you have roughly a 1 in 3 chance of surviving an avalanche in 4 states, you only have a 1 in 4 chance in Wyoming. Don't get caught in an avalanche, especially if you're in Wyoming. This has been a presentation by Steve Jackson for his business skills class at Bellevue College in the state of Washington, United States, and using data retrieved from avalanche.org. Now, the purpose of this exercise was to demonstrate Tableau. This is the application that I used to create this nice little story, and I will go back and show you something about Tableau now. So Tableau let me import the data from my Excel spreadsheet pretty much without a hitch, and now I'm being kicked off of the school's remote computer. Well, after waiting several minutes, the remote is back up. Someone probably restarted it. Well, this gives me a chance to show you how to launch Tableau. Just double click on the icon as usual. Alright, let's go ahead and open the last one we had. Alright. So ironically, I was just stating that Tableau imported the Excel spreadsheet data without a hitch, and then I had that hitch with using a remote computer at school. So, I don't have Tableau on my own machine, so the school was kind enough to let me use the machine that they have a license for. So I'll take you through a simple example of creating a worksheet. Go down here to New Worksheet. And as you can see up here, it says rows and columns. You also have drop field areas. I found that in putting the rows and columns, drag them up here, like there's your state, and then your fatalities as rows. It instantly shows you a simple bar graph. Up here in Show Me, you can find different things like maps. So now that's how I got the map. If you hover, you get to see Washington 65, Montana 74. I can right-click in there and go to annotate and mark. And here, it actually shows that's exactly state : would be typed on every one of them. I'm deleting that. The data in the braces is state. I'm going to leave state. Fatalities, I'll leave that alone. And then that's the actual data, the sum of the fatalities by state. Okay? So we'll just click that. And now Washington shows Washington fatality 65. Actually, what I should have done is right-click, select all, right-click again, annotate, mark, and now do the same thing, and it will be for all states. And there you go. To put this in a story, I can make Show Me go away. It doesn't really matter, but down here again, you can actually create a dashboard. Now the dashboard lets you put several of these sheets in one area. The story over here lets you create a sequence. You can change a caption, and you can bring that one I just created. Well, as you can see, you can hover it, and it should show you a preview of what it is. I believe, oh, here we go. It's doing that on that one. Drag it over, drop it, and that didn't work. Try it again. I'll say replace. The worksheet is empty. Okay, let's go back to the sheets. It's worksheet 9. Okay, so I'll go back to my story. There we go. Alright, now I have my worksheet in the story. If I want another piece of the story to be displayed, go to New Story Point, hit blank. Now I can add a caption here and keep going until I'm done with my story. Well, thank you for bearing with me on this Tableau demonstration, and have a great day.